What's up, GNCRC gang? We're back once again, and we're about to go ahead and get the shocks installed. Already removed the springs, and we'll go ahead and get the wheels installed. So these are the PowerHobby internal spring shocks. I think that's what they call them, but they do come with two sets of springs. So you got I don't know if this camera's focusing like it should. You got a silver set and a black set. One is stiffer than the other. One comes pre-installed. So we get the camera to focus. But we just took them completely out for this build, because this is going to be a belly dragger, so we just took them completely out. And it comes with its own mounting hardware. Alright guys, I got the shocks installed, and like I mentioned on an earlier video, I think I'm going to go back, and these drive shafts, I'm going to do another set of those. So I don't like how far it comes out right there. Front may be okay. The rear I'm kind of concerned with. I'm going to cut another set, but I'm just not going to cut it as short. Alright, so now we're going to install the wheels. Alright guys, before I get them all installed, I'm going to show you the size difference. So this is a stock deadbolt wheel and tire set. And this is a PowerHobby aluminum wheel. And the wheel is a Defender wheel. So I want to show you the difference in size. So this stock wheel set comes out to be about, we'll call it 53 and a half. Let's call it 53 and a half millimeters. This wheel set, as you can see, got to move it quite a bit. These are 48, so we're gonna call them 49. So these are about 49 millimeters versus 54 millimeters. So that should give me a little bit lower center of gravity also. All right guys, got it installed, and the green is looking good. I think I'm gonna do the links at some point. Only bad thing about it, I got to buy 2 packs to make that happen. So I may just print some more green ones like I have on the Jeep. I'm not really sure. I don't think that'll really look that good with that, but it wouldn't. It's not. I don't know. But what I like so far is how far this thing moves. Try to give you an idea. Back wheels are still flat, and they're up just a little bit now. I know it's something I can do to make it a little bit better, but that's a whole lot better than, well, no, it's about flat now. A whole lot better than the stock truck. So I'm gonna show you the stock one. This is on 2 wheels, and it's still flat. But once you get it on 3, that's a big difference. Like I can slide that completely underneath there. Actually, I got more space than that. So the travel is a whole lot better. I'll show you again. So this is with 3 wheels. And it's actually all the way down. You see, I'm hitting that wheel. It looks like it may even go up a little bit farther. Let's just see. Nah, not quite. I'm sure some things I can do to get more movement out of it. But so far, liking this setup. Make sure you stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be back with the install of the FuryTech ESC, and then we also got to get the receiver put in here, the SR215 receiver. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for tuning in.